Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to change the selected language on a Canon Pixma MP550. Now this is nice and simple and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the screen and control panel you can see here. Now although my printer is currently set to English, I'm going to make it pretty clear what I'm doing at every stage, so you can change it from whatever language it's in currently to whichever language you desire. So we can use the wheel around the OK here. I'm going to turn until at the front we have settings, which is represented by a pair of pliers and a screwdriver. Now we press OK. And from here we're in maintenance, which is represented by the 4 ink droplets in a rectangle. I'm going to turn the wheel once, moving it to the left till it spins, and it's on device settings, which has like 2 little sliders with markers on there. So we'll press OK. And from here, we need to get this yellow bar from the top option down to the language settings, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th option down. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, down 4 times till it's on language settings. 5th option. Press OK. And now we're on a list of all the languages your printer can use. Now I'm at the top on English, but you just turn in this wheel either clockwise or counterclockwise till the language you desire is selected. Press OK, and you're done. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.